Is your business growing up? You may be doing well now, but at some point your business will reach an inflection point. Many successful e-commerce retailers' mindsets are to just buy, because they believe being out of stock is more costly than marking down product. They don't have the time and/or knowledge to take a step back to figure out what is the right thing to buy and how much of it. Buying without boundaries uses a precious capital that could be deployed to more meaningful things like product development, marketing, and infrastructure to scale the business for the future. Eventually, as competition enters their market, prices are driven down, which reduces the high profit they've enjoyed. At the same time, marketing expense goes up because they must differentiate themselves, creating a double hit to profitability. Our team will determine the roadblocks, automate manual processes to increase productivity, apply best practices, and create the tools needed to improve your team's retail acumen. After conducting a needs analysis, an action plan is put together including resources, deliverables, and a timetable. Then we go to work. Our planning and buying experience enables us to create streamlined processes and develop the tools, dashboards, and reports you need, from tracking item and category performance, inventory productivity, web business, forecasting, and assortment planning. You may not have even thought about reaching an inflection point. In fact, most companies don't until it's too late. Call today to learn more.